Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday. Today's September 2nd, and this is your girl, Miss Bev, with another video. So first, let me just say thank you, all of you who are still here supporting this channel, the MBP Families channel. And we know that MBP means Miss Bev's Productions, right? Just wanted to. So yes, the channel is growing. We're getting new subscribers. I am so thankful to God, because only Him, I can just say, touching all of your hearts and making you become part of this little journey. Welcome to all of you new subscribers. Thank you to the old subscribers who are still here with Miss Bev. You know that I always appreciate you guys. And so today is September 2nd. We're present and we're thankful. And so it's time for another quick video. So today Kayla went back to school, guys. School started for Kayla. She's in a new space. And the one thing that I've been praying to God for, in June, I came here July 26th, and Sister Dawkins, as usual, when I come home, she would pick me up at the airport. She transports us around, and we also have somebody else that I'm working with, who comes in, picks us up, takes us places, and he stays with us to get things done, and then brings us back home. So I'm grateful for that, that God is consistently providing, and it's because that we ask, and He listens, and He hears, and He sees the need, and He provides likewise. So yes, so when, I think it was a day before I came down, and I sent the itinerary to Sister Dawkins, as she said to me, I'm going to ask you to, I was wondering, I have to come back to America. I was wondering if you would be all right to let Kayla stay with you for a while until I come up and until I return. So then on the day of pickup, she says, can she come now? Because when I come, she comes and she stays with us for some days and then goes back home to her husband. So I said, sure. And Kayla came with everything, her suitcases, everything from that day. When I came July 26th, Kayla came. And as I said before, is a young lady whom I asked for you guys to help me support her. And it's up to you, you don't have to. But if you can, it would be a good thing, because I'm telling you, you would not be disappointed. So Kayla came, then she's not related to Rose. Rose is Sister Dawkins' niece. So Rose was supposed to come and go back. But anyhow, Rose, I don't know what it was about me, but she wanted to stay. And leaving last night, she was supposed to leave because we were getting our hair done. And Kayla got hers done for school, and the young lady also did my hair. And so Rose was supposed to be gone yesterday, but the time when there was time to leave, she wanted to stay one more night. But the good thing, like, she was very thankful, she appreciated the fact that she stayed with me, and it was a good time. So now Kayla is here, and you'll see a short video of her coming home from school. Guys, we went to school today. You see the video. The principal sang a beautiful song about looking out for these children. A beautiful song. You watch the video, listen to the words of that song. Never heard the song before, but it was a good song. Has a good message to it. So again, let us not listen to people's voices when they sing, but let's listen to the message that they're bringing in words. So we went there. We were late because Sister Dawkins had forgotten to pick up Kayla's uniforms. So she had to pick them up and come this morning early. And we got ready, and we got there. We got to the church, and they had a service before we went up to the school. And then we went up to the school, and just got to meet people. I had some resources for them. I handed them out, and they were so thankful. The people were so grateful, and I said, God, I said, I know why you put me right here, because you put us where you want us to be. We don't just say, this is where I want to be, and then it happens. A lot of times we make plans and it doesn't work out, because that's not what God wants us to have or where he wants us to be. But we went, and it was good. Paid for her lunch. She'll have cooked lunch at school. So paid for the week's lunch. Met the driver, because never met him before, spoke to him, but just met him today. So we dropped her off today, and then he dropped her off this afternoon. So going forward, he will pick her up in the mornings and drop her off back after school. So God is so good. God is so good. Little Kayla came home, she was so happy. Just so happy. And that's what you look for in children. You know, she comes home, she's not droopy or mad or dirty, even though she played some, but it's a different space now, so she's not in the dirt out there in the mud. But she went and she said, I played with my friends, and it makes me feel good inside. So and she comes home, and she's not a greedy girl, you know, not a craving kid. She comes in, and like she says, I said, I have something special for you, because I thought today would have gotten some Kentucky Fried Chicken. Just Rose is leaving, Kayla is coming from school, to be nice. She said, but I'm not even hungry though. I had the chips, I had the juice, because I'd put stuff in her book, in her lunch kit, and tell her, you know, we'll see how the lunch works out. But when we went, they told us how much it was for the week, so I just paid for her hot lunch for the week. God is an amazing God. And as I said, guys, I'm not rich. I don't come home with a lot, like, you know, bag full of money or what have you. We have bills to pay, the electricity, especially because of I need to be cool. It's one thing to be out and about in the sun, but once I'm in the house, I don't like that heat bearing down. And you know that in these developments, because all these trees have been cut down to build all these houses that are all concrete cinder blocks, then we know that the heat is a different heat. It's hot. So, you know, but so the electric bill is going to be the biggest problem for me, but God will provide. And as I said, anyone of you can support Kayla. It doesn't matter how much or how little. Support her, man. Support her. Send her you have my Cash App in the descriptions. I think in the description, the Cash App is in there. I have Zelle, I have PayPal, and I also have the GoFundMe. So if you want me to drop the link for the GoFundMe, I'll drop it. And if you go, so be it. The channel is growing soon, hopefully, as I do the videos and you guys watch them and like them, guys. Like the videos, please. Watch the little ads on them. Please do that for Miss Bev. Do that for Kayla, because if I do well on YouTube, Kayla is going to do well, because I have the resources to help her in the way that I would love to make sure that she's helped. So just watch the videos, guys. Share them out, and encourage your friends on WhatsApp to just watch and like the videos and subscribe to Miss Bev's channel. We're doing a lot of little shorts to just help to grow the channel, to build the channel, and we just hope that that will be successful. So we're doing a lot of little shorts. You'll notice them. Just watch them, guys. Give them a thumbs up. Leave me a message just the same on them. If they uplift you, if they encourage you, then leave me a little comment. So I'm just here. I am on the veranda. It's windy. It's nice. It's just nice. You can see that it's windy. All right. So for me, in all things, I give so much thanks. I can never ever stop thanking God for all his goodness and his mercy and his love, for all that he continuously provides. I am so thankful. See that wind, guys? It's coming straight from the ocean. We do a 360 there. Not a 360, but that's the ocean over there. And so we get the cool breeze that comes up the hill, and we enjoy it right here in the veranda. So this is what it is, guys. So as I said, Kayla is home and she's happy, very, very happy, and I am thankful for that. I am thankful for that security driving through. So that's one of the things that encourages me, to see security consistently patrolling, you know, just riding through, so they call to you if they see you, and it's a good thing. So, sorry, I'm adding a couple little footage of Kayla coming home from school, and also a picture of her. And you can see, guys, that she's genuinely happy. Genuinely happy. I encourage her, Sister Dawkins, on the religious part. She is so, you know, strong with her, wanting her to do so well. And I'm just joining the band, guys. And so I have her a month already. And now, right, I have her a month already. And so I don't know how much longer. But as I said, I'm committed to doing the best I can for her. Today I thought of my own grandchildren, but I wasn't disappointed, because you know what? Grayson and Gia Marie has a mother and a father. Remember, little Kayla has no parents. And so this is what they say we should do, is to take care of the fatherless, the motherless, the widows in our community. And so this is another way of giving back to those who are in need. So guys, take care of yourself, right? If you can be good, be careful. But walk good now. Walk good and onward and upward always. That's what Omega say. Go over and support your girl, Trending Live TV. Please go over and support her, guys. She's doing her watch hours so that she can be monetized again. Again, as you become YouTubers, remember that they want to see videos. Trending did a lot of videos, but they were videos where she was only promoting other people's channels, and they took her channel down for that, and took all those videos away in her watch hours. So they want to see real videos, and so she can become monetized again. So help her get her watch hours, guys. Just help them as they work hard to get where they need to go. We have our own Jamaica K Lifestyle. Please go and support her. My God, an awesome person. Today we cried together. I was just thanking her for being here for me. I am home. I left Jamaica a lot of years ago. And I do have families here, but as you go away, you come back, and you're rebuilding, and you want peace, you want contentment. I think that's what we want in our older age. And so I am here, and she has been here ever since the idea of coming back started to germinate. And so today we had a good moment. We prayed and prayed, and I just thank God and ask God to open doors for her. She will need a job, because yes, she returned home, but I don't think she was ready. Just like me in 1999, I wasn't ready. Jamaica is always ready for us, but we are not ready. And because she's so young, she didn't retire. She's very young, and so if she gets an opportunity as a social worker there, because she's a licensed social worker, then I have no problem to helping with Kayla as she builds some wealth, builds up some funds, so she can be more independent as she stays here in Jamaica. So my people, whatever help you can give, just give it. As I said, I came home with a budget for just one. I'm extending myself to include Kayla, but listen, it's what it is, and I'll do the best I can do. So much love and respect to all of you. Somebody gave me a super thing yesterday, and I can't find out who sent it, to thank you for it. I just got something in my email that I got a super thank you, but I don't know who gave me that super thank you. And I'm looking at the videos. I'm trying to find out who it is. So please, guys, whoever sent me the super thank yous, I appreciate it and I respect you. The super thank yous, YouTube takes 40%, we get 60%. Super chat, somebody, I think trending, thank you so much for that beautiful gift for my birthday. A huge gift. YouTube will take 40% of that amount and they will send me the rest in my check. So I thank you guys for your love and your support, your kindnesses, your respect, your comments, your sharing, your watching. I appreciate it all. So thank you. And again, onward and upward always. Bye. Kayla is home.
Good morning. Get ready for the cake, yeah?
For 8 o'clock?
Yeah. You come. Just make sure you're ready for the cake.
Very, very good.
Come, you can come.
Anytime
Yeah, look,
after.
after 8. Are you 30 separate? Yeah?
Right.
All right.
So bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Hey Kayla, welcome home, Kayla. How are you?
Fine.
Come. Good to see you. Okay.